With a huge new salvo in the war on Wall Street and banks in general. Regulators from 6 agencies looking to change big bank CEO pay. Mary Thompson joining us now with more on this developing story. Mary.
Hey there, Brian. The National Credit Union Administration unveiling a proposal that needs to be approved by 5 other regulators before it's put out for public comment and adopted. Now, this is a re-proposal from 2011. The rule being proposed today, mandated by Dodd-Frank, and deals solely with incentive-based compensation at a wide range of financial institutions. Here are the key elements of this re-proposal. First of all, it mandates that 60% of incentive pay for senior executives and, quote, significant risk takers at firms with more than $250 billion in assets, think the big Wall Street banks, this pay be paid out over 4 years. These executives at firms with $50 to $250 billion in assets will have to wait 3 years. Now, right now, Wall Street firms defer this pay for about 3 years, but for a smaller group of executives. Second, this new proposal includes clawbacks. At firms with more than $50 billion in assets, senior executives and risk takers will be subject to clawbacks looking back 7 years if they engage in conduct including misconduct, fraud, or financial misrepresentation. Lastly, with firms with over $1 billion in assets, they need to retain records on compensation for up to 7 years. At 278 pages, this rule aims to discourage excessive risk-taking. It applies to a wide range of firms, bank, broker-dealers, asset managers, and registered investment advisors. The comment period right now expected to close in mid-July, and if this rule is adopted, the firms would have 18 months to comply. Tyler, back to you.
All right, Mary, thank you.